2014-15 SC Bastia season. The 2014-15 SC Bastia season was the 49th consecutive season of the club in the French professional leagues. The club competed in Ligue 1, the Coupe de Ligue and the Coupe de France. Bastia started the season with Claude Makélélé as manager as a replacement for departing Frédéric Hantz, with Didier Tholot as an assistant coach. However, after suffering a new Ligue 1 defeat against Guingamp in November, Makelele was sacked and replaced by Ghislain Printant, former head coach of Bastia's youth academy. Squad and statistics. Call span equals 15 style equals background, hash DCDCDC text to line, center goalkeepers. Call span equals 15 style equals background, hash DCDCDC text to line, center defenders. Call span equals 15 style equals background, hash DCDCDC text to line, center midfielders. Call span equals 15 style equals background, hash DCDCDC text to line, center forwards. Call span equals 15 style equals background, hash DCDCDC text to line, center players who left during the season. Results by match. Hash invoke sports RBR table legend pos equals b header equals match. Label on equals grotten version equals h slash 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 label to equals result with to equals d slash l slash w slash d slash l slash d slash l slash l slash w slash l slash l slash w slash d slash l slash l slash l slash w slash d slash w slash d slash d slash d slash w slash w slash w slash l slash w slash l slash d slash l slash l slash l slash w slash w slash d slash l label vehicles position is 3 equals 9 slash 17 slash 11 slash 13 slash 14 slash 18 slash 16 slash 16 slash 19 slash 16 slash 18 slash 19 slash 15 slash 15 slash 19 slash 20 slash 20 slash 18 slash 19 slash 14 slash 15 slash 14 slash 16 slash 15 slash 13 slash 10 slash 14 slash 10 slash 12 slash 13 slash 13 slash 13 slash 14 slash 12 slash 12 slash 11 slash 11 slash 12 text h equals home. Dated equals 23 May 2015 source equals League 1 date equals August 2014.